Hello and welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to study about some of the identification tests of ammonia. This topic is under ICSE Standard 10 syllabus from 7th chapter. So, what are the identification tests of ammonia? Before that, you should know that what is the meaning of identification test. So, whenever you are in the laboratory, if certain particular reagent has been given to you, that you have to check what is this reagent, then you have to perform certain test on it and you have to find out what is this reagent, or you have to find out what all are the ions present into that. It is almost same to what you are doing in the qualitative analysis. So here any gas jar you will be providing. So in ammonia we have to check if particular gas has been given to you, that in the gas jar, that what is this gas, then you have to perform certain action on it and you have to find out that this is hydrogen chloride gas, this is ammonia gas, this is oxygen gas. So if you have doubt that this is a ammonia gas, by smell you can recognize ammonia gas. Ammonia gas has a very peculiar pungent smell. So by smell you can identify ammonia gas, and once you have that suspect in your mind that this is ammonia gas, after that you will perform this certain reaction, and if this reaction will give you a positive result, that means you are confirming that this gas is ammonia gas. So for that purpose the identification tests are important. So there are three type of tests. So first is action on indicators. So with the help of indicator we will get to know that yes, this is ammonia gas. So first is litmus. It will turn red to blue when it will come in contact with ammonia. Basically all this detail you have to memorize. So repetitive reading will help you in memorizing this kind of details. So methyl orange is a type of indicator and it will turn orange to yellow when it comes in a contact with ammonia. Phenolphthalein is an indicator. It is colorless and it will turn pink when it comes in a contact with ammonia. Now second is a reaction in which if you have ammonia gas, then dip your glass rod in a hydrochloric acid and place at the mouth of the gas jar. Now you can see a dense white fumes are coming out from that gas jar. That means that dense white fumes are of ammonia chloride, which is formed from ammonia and hydrochloric acid. Now third type of equation in which we need to have Nessler's reagent. What is Nessler's reagent? The formula is K2HgI4. This Nessler's reagent, when it comes in a contact with ammonia, it will turn colorless to pale brown. So all these tests will confirm that yes, this gas is ammonia gas. Now in next segment we will see some of the uses of ammonia and we will learn that ammonia is a very important reagent. Now we will learn about some of the uses of ammonia and we'll see that how important ammonia is as a reagent. So first one is as a synthetic products. So ammonium nitrate we are using in explosive. Ammonium nitrate is being used to make explosive. Then in dyes and drug. Drug means medicine. Then plastic and resins. In baking soda, in the manufacturing of baking soda we use ammonia. So this is a formula of baking soda. In washing soda also we are using ammonia. Means in the manufacturing of washing soda we use ammonia. Then as a fertilizer, this ammonium salts are important. Urea is one of the most used fertilizer. Then ammonium sulfate is used as a fertilizer. Then liquor ammonia we are using as a cleansing agent. Then ammonium chloride is used in manufacturing of dry cell. Then ammonium carbonate is used in baking and in dyeing industry. Now one use is very important, that is liquor ammonia as a refrigerant. Earlier we were using CFCs as a refrigerant, but since CFCs are giving corroding effect to our ozone layer, we have started using liquor ammonia as a refrigerant. So let us see how CFCs are harmful to our ozone layer. So this is a molecule of one CFCs. Its molecular formula is CFCl3. When it comes in a contact with UV light, the Cl, the chlorine atom, will detach from it, and this chlorine atom, when it comes in a contact with ozone layer, it decomposes the molecule of ozone and it will form another molecule, that is ClO and O2. So basically it is decomposing our ozone molecule, and this oxygen again cannot combine and form O3 molecule. So basically they are depleting our ozone layer. So liquid ammonia, a liquor ammonia, is very helpful in refrigeration plant, where we can use that liquor ammonia as a substitute of CFCl3, and by doing so we can save our environment. So this is all about study of compound ammonia. In this we have seen how we are manufacturing ammonia by 3 different processes: its chemical property, its physical property, its identification test, and its uses. At a glance, when you will see this chapter, it looks easy, but when it comes together with all the 4 parts of this one chapter, 7a, 7b, 7c and 7d, then there are chances that you will mixing up all the details. So the solution for this problem is a repetitive reading. Every now and then you repeat the details, you repeat your reading, that once you will read this month, then next month again you read at a glance the full chapter, then very easily you can memorize all these details, because these reactions are very simple reaction. They are not very difficult, but the thing is there are so many reactions. So if you will categorize them in one category, there are a lot of reactions. So the information is not difficult, but the problem is there is too much of information. So the thing is, you can solve this memory problem by repetitive reading. Only that way you can memorize all this reaction. And one more thing, if you have a problem in memorizing all this equation, then write it. Whenever you are seeing this reaction from the textbook, from the video, you write it and try to remember it. Once you write it by seeing, then afterwards you write it without seeing it, and slowly you will remember the details. Hope you have understood all the concept of study of compound ammonia. In next segment we will study about nitric acid. Till then, keep studying, keep sharing. I'll see you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe.